Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today is a big day for the hauler. I'm heading down to my friends at Wired Rides in Markham, Ontario. They specialize in lighting installs. As if this truck doesn't have enough lighting already, but there's something that I've wanted to do for a very long time, and I finally have the opportunity to do it, and I can't wait. It's going to look awesome. Prior to Christmas, I was dropping hints on my Instagram channel about what this might be. And if you haven't already, head on over to Instagram and follow Heavy Metal Hauler. It's where I post almost all my stuff. So the kit that we're getting installed is a grill light kit. Now, it's not like the pods or anything like that. It is literally the LED strips that go across the entire front of the grill. You've probably seen it on Ram 2500s, but there was never anything available for the 1500s until recently. And as soon as I saw them, I had to scoop it up because it's a mod that I've wanted to do for so long. So I can't wait to get this on here.
Alright guys, we have a Dodge Ram in here that came in to install some accent lighting strips inside the grille. The daytime running lights on the headlights right now from factory are the top and the bottom, and the idea is that the two lines will then continue all the way across the truck connecting the two headlights. So there's going to be a strip that goes across the top of the grille here, another strip that goes along the bottom of the Ram logo connecting up the two headlights. So let's install it and see what it looks like.